Currently, we are sitting on a road in Bhalgudi, and we all are here for the NSS camp, which is National Service Scheme.
So this is a week-long camp, and there are 50 students in all from our college, Haribai V Desai College.
आम्ही आता तिथल्या झाडांना सगळ्या पाणी टाकलेलं आहे आणि अजूनही आम्ही सगळे झाडांना पाणी टाकू. गावामध्ये आम्ही चक्कर मारणार आहोत.
ओके गाईस, मला 4 दिवसाचा एक्सपिरियन्स शेअर करा.
एक्सपिरियन्स ने काही बोलू शकता. मनात काय चालू आहे आता? हाय हाय बोल. मोस्टली तिकडे पुढे एक डॅम आहे. खूप वेळपासून चालत आहोत आणि कोण असं डोक्यावरती आला आहे. आणि आता तुम्ही काय करणार आहात?
घरी नाही
चला 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 किती स्पष्ट दिसतंय. क्लिअरिटी.
तिकोणा गाईस.
त्याला तिकोना काय म्हणतात?
किल्ले तिकोना. चला या बजरंग मलिक की जय. काय नयनरम्य वातावरण इथं.
Okay, let's go back to Bhalgudi. Guys, finally we've reached. My God. So before we came over here, we were divided into a few groups, and they were all like mixed and matched, so that we get to meet new people and everything. And the names were given according to the forts. So there's Siagarh, Torna, Pratapgarh, Shivneri, Raigad, and Rajgarh, and according to that, the activities are divided. So yeah, now we're gonna go and have a look in the kitchen. So this is the kitchen, and which Kutli team cook karte hai? So and team Shivneri is cooking. And yeah, this is rice. भाजी उघडून दाखवू शकतोस का? This is the kitchen where everything is cooked. Yeah. आणि हे आमचे नवनाथ काका आहेत. हे हेड आहेत, हेड शेफ आहेत. हे हाय म्हणा व्लॉगला. And this is our entire campus. Okay, so it's now time for lunch. पोळी ऑलरेडी आली आहे मला. भाजी येईल. It's 3 o'clock right now, and we are going for a bath. So here it is like as soon as we came here on the very first day, we made a group of 5 girls each, and we went to the we started searching for houses, and we went there and we talked with the people living in the houses and requested them to allow us to have a bath in their houses. The people here are so kind, and so they are not very they're so what can you say, kind. काय बोलू शकतो? काइंडच बोलणार. काइंड, जेंटल, काही पण म्हणा. They immediately said yes, and they're like, you all can come here any time, वगैरे वगैरे. You can come here even to have a nap or rest or something like that. So they are very very nice, and they let you even make hot water, because that of course there's no hot water ka vyavastha. Now we are going to see the house. So this is the house. As soon as you enter, there's shed for the animals. Okay, first they are animals, and then the place where they live. Just look at how many cows and bulls are there. Just look at it. See? It's so ancient. This house is very very ancient. This is the house where we have a bath, where we come for a bath. The house is really very big. the fourth room. Here we boil the water. Hi Mana, hi Aarti. So currently is approximate 7 p.m. and यहाँ पे तैयारी शुरू हो चुकी है. So the team who's going to cook is cooking and others are preparing for the cultural event. So for today's cultural event, everybody has to present a funny skit. All the groups have to present a funny skit. So yeah, let's just have a look around.
हा खूप छान डिनर बनवतो. आजचा डिनर बेस्ट असतो.
So this is the cooking team. ही cook करत आहे आज. काय बनवत आहे? काय बनवत आहे? काय?
कटिंग कॅबेज.
छान. आणि इकडं पोळ्यांची तयारी होत आहे.
आयुष्यात आता पहिल्यांदाच कुकिंग केली आणि मी 50 लोकांसाठी भाजी बनवली.
कल्चरल इव्हेंट स्टार्ट केलं. आणि फिनिश्ड फर्स्ट. Finally, the day has come to an end. It was a long day, and today we are ending it with bonfire or campfire, whatever you want to say. So, you want to say something, Chani? You're looking so nice in this light. Yeah, we are tired, but tomorrow we are going to go to Hadashi Temple. So it's like a trek, kind of, not a trek exactly, but we're going to be walking over there. So yeah, I'll be taking you all along. So it's going to be another video. So stay tuned with that.